I found a little hack in Machine Plus. When you hold it, you can press it harder and then it changes. It also puts kind of arpeggiator effect. And this is how I did it. You go to sampling and you have different levels. So when I press the bass, soft, then you hear this, and when you hear louder, you hear a different one. And I also put it here. So it's just one object, but I say it's a keyboard, and in that case you have a whole instrument in just one instrument, kind of. Okay, it sounds still awful, but I think someone else can make something interesting with it. So you have to use the arpeggiator mode. And you can use the sequence. I'm trying to do it also with the microfreak, but then the touch sensitive thing doesn't work yet. But maybe someone has an idea how to put the press sensitive stuff to the Machine Plus. That would be really nice to have something like this, more than just harder and lower. Low, harder, but it's only harder, but I can't do it something in another way. So let me know, and peace.